Hey guys, Chef Jay, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. I am back at Traeger headquarters, and today we're talking about the brand new Traeger Irontop griddles. 2-burner, 4-burner, a lot of amazing Traeger quality in these griddles. I'll tell you, you look at the griddle market in general, and Traeger is again raising the bar on quality at some very accessible price points. And that, for me, is super exciting because I really feel like everybody needs to have a griddle in their backyard. They're so versatile. You can make a ton of food on here, and I challenge you to think outside the smash burger. That's right, smash burgers are great, but what about sauteed chicken? What about hibachi night? What about fried rice? What about pancakes, breakfast for dinner, breakfast for lunch? What about cooking your bacon? I am going to do a pasta dish next week on my griddle as well. So talk about versatile. They're a great outdoor cooking tool, and you can use them for any occasion. What I love about the Irontop is you get even edge-to-edge heat. What does that mean? That means literally from this front to this back, from this side to that entire griddle surface I can use. That's right, I can put a piece of bacon over in this corner, it's gonna cook. Back here, over there, I now get actually more cooking surface, right? Because I can use every single square inch of that, which is super, super cool. Boy, I'll tell you, we were cooking on this 4-burner, and I was able to have 2 different zones. So I had kind of a cooler zone on this side to do some veggies. I had a hotter zone to sear off my meat. Absolutely cool. Now, this is that Traeger quality you've come to love, you've come to know. It's gonna give you that 3-year limited warranty. And one of the great things you know about Traeger is all of that innovation, that quality, trickles down from pellet grills into griddles. That's right, pop and lock rail system now allowing you to customize this griddle. I'll tell you, when I griddle, I want everything right there. So I can have my ingredient bin with my sauces, with my oil, with my water. On the other side, I can have tool hooks, and now this becomes the most amazing backyard cooking station because I have everything right where I need it at every single time. Now, be sure to stop into your local Ace Hardware, visit with one of our barbecue experts, and learn a little bit more about the Irontop. But I'm going to give you a piece of advice before you head into your local Ace. Go one size bigger than you think you need, because you can't wish your griddle was bigger every single time you cook on it. And I'll tell you, you're gonna grow into this. You'll never grow out of it if you always get a griddle a little bit bigger than you think you needed. So swing by, visit with one of our barbecue experts. But in the meantime, stay tuned, because coming up, I have a first cook video that I think you're gonna like. We're doing a little dual zone cooking on here, and I'll show you why that 4-burner one is the sweet spot.